we the yampa, we the enyampa. Okay, let me take something like planting for food and jobs. That wouldn't be ideal. Factory, no, so can I be more better say, and okay, what you fancy say, oh, dear, na say ewu, and I say ewu, na say, oh, then kwabemwa, sa dear to me, nyane. The essence, and says, one found quane ngumu and cardia no nyane, and I'm a boy. Entino, government in conjunction with private sector. Yahoo private sector be a struggle. Untumi entua ne taxes untumi entua ne sei untumi emfa nipa aban se saade a ye beso wasene na ade na ewu no ya mana revival. Shouldn't you be happy about such a government that can revive a dead situation? As government, you are able to revive dead situations. Enti factory say gugu ye nyina no. Say ya papa mahama no ne NDC for so mu to me revival nkroma de enimu sex kra anka by na Ghana ye ni sex factories ana factory say gugu ye say ya papa mahama ne NDC for so mu to me rebuild ye every finance bi kra ma mienu kra ba existence ya anka emo aye ana anka nya Ghana for ne be ye adwuma ho but only vision no or you're visionless or you're incompetent. They cannot think outside the box. Their education was chew and poor. Anything that has to do with reasoning, critical thinking, they lack it. It's a fact. Akufo Addo aba. Okay? Or the policies air revival factories. And now I know say over 107 to 109 you say factories and within 6 years yet me see ewo Ghana. Gayhawk na egu. Gasem na egugu. And I say Safo Kantanka, the Kantanka product, the brand. Ya ye adwuma so ne yenko baby ya. Ibrahim Mahama. Wo ni na no person ye cement factory. But when ya banya the conditions ye conducive enough for him to do that. Ono agasa ne brother ye president po when to me situate what we call a cement factory. Akufo Addo ne one district one factory policy asinti and the Jata cement eka one of the pioneer cement here ne Ghana for ye kan ye cement ya Jata cement so kan ho. It is policy. But this answer and this for lack vision. No money foresight into no. They think say and a company in the never hodada. A hodada nana omu production ye saying. Can it no near to Darko Farms di be. When was the last time I know to Darko Farms for Ghana? Darko Farms di be cho. And the Darko Farms has been rebounded back. Fenipa. Baby a Ghana yenya you go difi obuase. Ashanti Gold Mines, you omo ye den, ye tumu, ye gu no, na mfenipa egu ye. Otumfo say yesrem o mun save my Mahama couldn't revive it. Akufo Addo comes and revive it. Now Ghanaians are working at the mines. Who say Akufo Addo nyehwe? Are you people really sure or time na time papa no? Cocoa processing company Wamco. No mu process ye niama mayen mienu ni na under NDC eguye. They were not able to even revive one. Under one district, one factory, under this current government. And then Wamco has rebounded and it's working. Seriously. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Or because Papa be so person be 4 years because or better now so when we scan we want me. When feed when see when we and any more person we in man 4 years no me finishing. Na Ghana ni wudi actually. E wo bra wo de man na wan ye wo show we say won to me nye. E nti wo to abadi yi ni free ho. Afedi ono na person wo de ne ba. Nyansa be na wo. Adwene be na wo. Nyansa ben na wo. Oh, because you see, be the politics, yeah, politics. Oh, politics. Oh, say, oh, my, in the and you are happy, you are destroying democracy, and you are destroying Ghana in terms of politics. What are you people talking about? First, no Fulani for. No money yen nuanuma kamfo ni bi. Obeti ese omeko repu akola we. Obeti ese omeko repu abrewa yakobo tuo ha yakokun bi. Wana we nwan ya na so mpreku a no mo we yakowi obi no ba ye ni ade de bia ntokwa atu atoto. Akufo Addo by when was the last time I ote se Fulani for no ekokun obi ni ama? Because of thinking outside the box. Akufo Addo or thinking outside the box no who said debi. Say ye ranch ya na ye de moe ni na ekugu a na ye ma obi a number. Oba wa behwe wo de na wakwa eboa. Chin say ye beja no ma say ye japade. Enu ntu ko ye se no for baby and ye no big ranch pa je say cattle say gum. Big ranch ya cattle say dey egum. Enu nti saade na brase osi Akufo Addo nye hwe afi mema another practical one no china kwana ko try and Monday ko try hospital one national health insurance scheme no one card na 2018 ya I can't say 2012 na ade eba no na wo de kwa yenje no because of a car na da so no and na wo de kwa say agio anamebwa ye anamebwa and there were card no health card no o de call hospital ayeje na we bisa won sa de nti na aban bi wo na o de kwa ayenje na aban bi ba aye de o de kwa ayeje on the real eye den e na aban bi de oba wotumi ye na aban bi ba ontumi nye na de a ontumi nye ni mo sori a na o body otumi ye ni mo otiri so yes politics inti politics inti no kre eni Ghana bi o wende de bibia akoye politics ni ade. Somebody talked about railway lines. Mo we fisa atame all the time. Omo ko je bosia kakra ka so omo de be railway. Samokai. Okay ya no ama me like no me who say yes mutie me. Me say atame all the time no. Omo an ko ji ska so omo de be railway line. But your railway line e go see say oh la la. Omusiye. And now me know can say train kwine constructed scattered all across Ghana. Tema Mpakadan, all of it is going through.